Hey crafty people, it's Tasha again here for Trinity Stamps, and I'm sharing a quick and easy birthday card with this amazing giant cupcake set. So this is from the latest release. It's another one of the fabulous card sets. So there is a large piece there that will cut a cupcake shaped card, which is awesome. I don't use that today, but I have used that. It's amazing. So today I wanted to show you that you can use all the elements that you get with this set to create just a giant cupcake on a standard A2 card. So I cut all my pieces from Nina Solar White 80-pound cardstock, and I'm just blending some colour onto the frosting here. So I just decided to go with some really pretty, bright, warm, happy colours. And I'm not sort of thinking about where I'm blending each colour or anything at all. I'm just whacking some colour down. I wanted it to look like one of those cupcakes where, you know, there's different coloured icing that's piped out, and yeah, I just wanted it to be a bit fun and psychedelic, and I think that I achieved that. So once I've got enough colour down across the whole thing, I'm just using some Cupcake markers to add a little bit of shading in to bring out the detail of this frosting a little bit more. Now, this might sound a little bit scary or intimidating, but it's really not, because all of the lines that I've coloured there with those Cupcakes, they are embossed or debossed into the die cut. So just follow along with them, and it makes it so easy and simple to add that detail. I'm then adding some highlight areas. So I've recently got this Faber-Castell white pencil crayon, and I've been loving using that for my highlights. So I lay down a bit of that first, a larger amount of that, because that's a softer highlight, and then I add some white gel highlight accents over the top of that pencil. So I just make sure that they are smaller accents, and I really love how that has been looking. So yeah. So I ink blended the little bit of the cupcake that you will see. I'll have all the colours linked over on my blog. I decided to cut the cupcake liner from some patterned cardstock. So I chose a blue stripy one. This is from the Slimline Rainbow pad that came out last year. It's amazing, one of my favourites. And then I took this older star stencil, and I'm just inking some blues over the top of that onto an A2 panel of Nina Solar White 80-pound again. And here I'm just working out where they're going to go. I've started using scraps of cardstock instead of foam tape where I can to pop up my different elements, because I just think that it's so much less wasteful. So I popped up the cupcake liner on, I think, 3 layers of cardstock, and then adding the little bit of the cupcake that you get a peek of just straight onto the card panel with some liquid glue. Then I'm going to add 2 layers of cardstock behind my frosting here, and then I'm going to glue that in place. I also made a little cherry, so it die cuts like a line piece for it on the inside. I coloured them again with ink and added highlights, and then I decided to add some Nouveau Crystal Glaze stuff. It's basically just like glossy accents onto my cherry to give it a little bit of extra oomph. For my sentiment, I stamped and dyed just a simple birthday wishes sentiment from the Simply Sentimental birthday set that came out in this recent release, and I just glued that onto my frosting, and there's the card. It was really simple and easy to make, and if you wanted to, you could use pattern paper for the whole thing, and that would make it even quicker. I hope that you like the card. Let me know what you think in the box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I hope that you have a lovely, happy, safe and wonderful week. Stay crafty. Bye.